This is the blizzard of 2013. We just were able to get outside, open the door. Look at my car buried. Nicole's car buried. This is the way that Eric made from the backyard to the front yard. Nicole's shoveling. Eric's trying to make a path through my car. My window's locked. Emily's window's locked. Eric made a path in the backyard with the snowblower. Look at how much is snow in the neighbor's house. And we're still in the middle of the blizzard now. Oh God. Oh wow. This is my backyard. This is the path that Eric made from this door. He opened this door and he came out. And now look at my backyard. I want to step in it to show you how much snow is in here. Wow. I need a hat. It's freezing.